What's up, Caliber Nation? Welcome back to the legendary video. I can't even get up. Welcome back to the legendary video, how to use a voice changer on Xbox One, the easiest way, easy tutorial. Now in today's video, as you can see in front of me, we've got every single way to do the voice changer other than the iPhone 7 or up. I still haven't got an upgrade, but as you see, we got 3 headsets. There's all different controllers, 2 adapters featuring the chat pad and the regular adapter, Rogue Energy, and we got 2 brand new controllers. With all that said, let's get right in. Stop! Let's get right into the video and give you guys what you've been waiting for all year, a fast review. Alright, Caliber Nation, so let's get started. Here's my arsenal of stuff. We're first going to be starting off the best way to use a voice changer on Xbox One, and then we're going to get into how to use the app and everything like that. So the first thing you want, obviously, is an Xbox One controller. I bought this just at Walmart for $44. The next thing you want to get is an iPhone, Android, whatever. I prefer iPhone because it works the best. This is still the iPhone that I've had last year. I do not know if it works for the iPhone 7, but I do know in theory it should work for the iPhone 7 and up because of the adapter part on the bottom. And that does support microphone. So the next thing you want to get, a chat pad or one of these adapters. The best way I figured, and plus you can talk to people too with the chat pad, it's pretty cool. So you got the controller, the chat pad, put that to the side up there. The next thing you want to get, a headset. Now, this headset can't be the headset from the Xbox or any like garbage headset. Like, you're gonna have to spend a little bit of money. So the best headset for this voice changer, this is a Plantronics Rig 500 Pro. You can buy any other headset. I will put this headset in the description below. The only thing that needs to be with the headset is that you have a detachable mic. So as you can see on the bottom here, the only thing you gotta worry about is the detachable microphone, the boom microphone that you use to talk to your friends on Xbox. So if you want this to work and you want it to be guaranteed to work, buy this one. It was around $75 at Walmart. It's a Plantronics Rig 500 Pro. The link will be in the description below. So here we go. It's been through a couple months, and the only thing wrong with it, the rubber part or whatever it is on the earpiece came off. So I crazy glued it back, and it's good as new, and I love it. The regular cord that's connected. We have the regular cord that's connected to the headset that plugs into your controller. And now we have the microphone. This microphone comes out and it gets put back in. Now my camera's blurry, so the mic can be easily taken out and put back in, and I'm not struggling to put it in this time because I know what I'm doing. And last but not least, the last thing you need to buy is an aux cord. Now this isn't just a regular aux cord. I will put the link to this specific aux cord in the description. Now let me open it up and show you. Now I'm up and close and personal for this one. This isn't just regular, any old regular aux cord. It needs to have those 3 black rings. It cannot have 2 black rings. If you have an aux cord that is like this, with only 2 black rings, it will still work, but it won't be best quality. So this is out of the picture, the one with 2 black rings. So the link to this aux cord with the 3 rings on it will be in the description below. So go click that, and that's all your shopping list down there. Alright, so that is going over everything that we need. The first thing you want to do is grab your controller, just like this. Grab it like this, by both ends. Grab the chat pad, stick it up there. Put that on there like that. Now, all you gotta do is plug in the headset like you're gonna regularly talk to someone. So boom, like that. Plug in the headset like you're gonna talk to someone and put the headset on, you know, hi, whatever. The only next step that people were messed up about, the aux cord step. Now this, the only 2 items you need is an iPhone and an aux cord. So the part that people were getting messed up in the last video was the mic. Now, you have to have a detachable mic, like I've been saying. So this microphone, the actual microphone that you use to talk to your friends, comes out. And you put this to the side. You don't need that for the voice changer. The only thing you need now, you see the hole that it came out of? The hole that it came out of, the microphone, you plug in. I like doing it this way. I plug in the angle side. I plug in the angle like this. It doesn't matter which way you want to do it, but I plug in the aux cord to that hole. Now, from that aux cord, you got this. You got this end. This end goes into the iPhone. Now, for the last step, you need Voice Synth, an app on your phone, costs around $12. So now everything is hooked up. Easily be able to hear people in the party. Now you turn on your controller and you go into a party, which is going to be recorded on the screen right now. I'm going to start a party. My mic isn't muted. Nothing's muted on here. Nothing's muted on the chat pad. Make sure the chat pad's unmuted though. Also, if you have a microphone like this, they flip up to mute. So you want to make sure that's flipped down. And now, the next step you have to do. For example, I'm going to load up Voice Synth. Now, all you got to do is load up Voice Synth like that. I'm going to start recording on my phone now. And as you can see on the screen, you can see me talking in chat. Ready? Ready? Ooh. Ooh. See? You got the mic in, now you can hear yourself. You can hear yourself in your headset. Now, the first thing when you load up Voice Synth, you want to make sure, starting all the way from the left, audio MIDI, you want to put the input goes to iPhone mic. Now the output goes to headphones. You want to make sure it's like that. That's probably going to be your only two options. The next thing you want to do not press sampler or the pause button. Make sure to press live. Now the next thing you want to do is press natural. And then you want to press presets. Yes, these are all my presets if you want to hear them, you know. Oh, you know what I'm saying? So you can have presets, you know, I got like
this one right here. And I can like literally go into any party and talk to people. And it's funny. It's really funny and annoying.
You can also lower the volume too if it's too loud, because people will get annoyed if it's too loud and it's going to be toxicity in the ear. You want to have these settings right here. Now you're going to go to EQ and FX. You can finagle with this stuff if you want to. In order to talk normally, you want to press mic through.
So right now you see I'm talking.
Once I press mic through, when I press mic through, that disables all effects and it makes me talk normally. So you can start the app up with mic through and join the party and be like, hey guys, what's up? You know, blah, 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 blah. You can talk and it'll be normal until you press mic through and then you're all like,
hello, how's it going?
And they're like, what the hell is that? So you want to have chorus mix down, chorus speed down, reverb mix down, reverb time down, auto gain down, auto pan down, auto clip down, delay loop down, delay time down, delay mix down. All the way. Formant shift on top, down. Now, you don't have to do anything now. All you gotta do is have the vocoder mix all the way up. Now, you can already finagle with stuff. You want to make sure on the bottom you press pitch, and now you don't want it to be fixed. You want it to be normal pitch mode. You just keep on tapping it to normal pitch mode. And then auto, you do not want to, that's auto tune. You don't want to do the auto tune yet. I'll show you that in a little bit. What you can do is finagle with the pitch shift. And once it's at 0, press mic through. Boom. Now it sounds like you're in a studio and it's kind of weird. And you're going to be like, oh my God. You know what I mean? Like, wah, 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 wah. You know what I mean? So now
you can change your pitch. You can go up to 4 if you want to. And now you're going to be like a chipmunk. And now you're going to be annoying everybody in the party because they're going to tell you, shut the hell up, get a life. Literally. So this is fun to annoy people. And it also works in game chat.
And then you can also go down to as low as possible. You can literally go down here.
Yeah. And now I'm gonna send my buddy Devin a message on Xbox. Oh, caught in a bad romance. Ooh, woo, 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 woo. I smell like cheese. So we sent that to him. Now we're gonna play it back. Oh, caught in a bad romance. I smell like cheese. That's what that sounds like. So that's the auto-tune. The auto-tune doesn't sound that good, to be honest. It's very finagly. All you gotta do is just finagle with it a little bit. You wanna make sure it's all the way to the left here, because then your
Pitch is gonna sound weird. You wanna make sure that
the keyboard is all the way to the left, and yeah. So I sent that to Devin. We're gonna record a regular thing using the microphone. Just gonna be going to presets, going to natural.
What's up, Devin? I'm making the voice changer video right now, and you're going to be featured in it because I'm using you as an example on how to use the voice changer on Xbox One. So have a good day. See you later. That was good. Now let's listen back to it. What's up, Devin? I'm making the voice changer video right now, and you're going to be featured in it because I'm using you as an example on how to use a voice changer on Xbox One. So have a good day. See you later. No, it doesn't sound as clear as it should be. And that's the best way you're going to have it. It's not going to be too clear because it's Xbox. But now we are going to try a different app that is free to use. Easy Voice.
That's what the app is called, Easy Voice. I feel like this app is very good.
And then now you have a voice that sounds like this. Oh my god, ooh woo. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh my god, ooh woo. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh yeah.
Alright guys, there you have it. That's the way to use a voice changer. You can either click off the video or stay in the video. And now we're gonna do another one where we are going to use different controllers, this adapter, easier ways on to do it, little hacks. This is the Rig 400HX. I also bought this at Walmart. It needs to have the 3.5 millimeter connector microphone. This one only costed me $50. We're gonna start off with the microphone. As you see, it has two wires coming from the headset and the aux cord that does not come out. So don't gotta worry about that. Just like that, taking out the little boom mic, and we're gonna plug in the aux cord from the iPhone into the headset. Boom, just like that. And now we're gonna plug the end of the aux cord of the headset into the controller, and we're gonna see how this one sounds. Alright, I had to do some adjustments here. The chat pad, it does not work with the chat pad. All you get is static, and it does not work right. For some reason, it just does not work. So the chat pad for this one is not the right one, so you gotta put the chat pad to a side. Now, what we are using is the regular adapter that I've been using for a long time. It works with everything. Message, go to Devin. What's up, Devin? We're back. We're gonna go like this. We're gonna start it up. We're gonna press record. What's up, Devin? I'm back with another voice changer. Now we are gonna do vocoder mix all the way up.
And we're going to go to pitch shift. Hello, Devin. How are you today? Welcome. Now
We're gonna do auto tune, and it's gonna be like, whoa. Now we're gonna listen to it back. Record. What's up, Devin? I'm back with another voice changer. Now we are gonna do vocoder mix all the way up.
and we're going to go to pitch shift. Hello, Devin. How are you today? Welcome. Now we're
going to do auto tune, and it's going to be like, whoa. All right, so this one has really good quality. It's really good. But yeah, now we're going to do nothing but change the controller. We are going to take this out of the adapter and just plug it right in to see how it sounds. Just so I can show you how it sounds. All right. Alright guys, it does not work. It does not work like that. So that you cannot do. You cannot have it just without the adapter. You need the adapter or a chat pad. Because as you can see, I plugged this back in and there you go. You can hear myself. You can go into the girly voice if you want to, and then undo the girly voice, you know, and then boom. Alright, we're gonna get onto a new controller. This is the Xbox original controller. Hello, Draco. Welcome to the video. I'm making a video about the voice changer. If you want, you could stay here because you're a witness. So, all right. Yeah, you're a witness now. So now you're in a video with me. All right. Hey, Drake. Welcome to the video. All right. So as you can see on this controller, it sounds just like this one.
but a little tiny bit better.
So this is the original Xbox controller. This is hefty. It doesn't feel like one of the controllers that you buy at Walmart now. The controllers you buy at Walmart now are pretty, like, trash, like, not gonna lie. But this is the original Xbox controller. It's heavy. It has no aux cord on the bottom. It just has the room for the adapter. Now we're gonna move on to the, I think it was an Advanced Warfare controller. I got it at GameStop a long time ago. It was like a limited edition, whatever. So we're gonna try that one out. Alright, so as you can hear me, Drake, right?
Uh-huh.
Alright.
And same thing. It sounds like a girl, sounds like that, whatever you
Want to do? Boomity bobbity boo. You know what I'm saying? There you go. Alright, Caliber Nation, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for the other video getting so many views, 200,000 views and like 4,000 likes, and that just means a lot to me. So thank you guys for last video. Hopefully this video can get the same love. I got all the stuff here. I got this new mic that works great, this new mic that works great, and I showed you all different controllers. I showed you the chat pad, and I also showed you the adapter. So if you made it this far, I actually realized in the video, and I didn't realize before, the adapter does work way better than the chat pad. And it also does work with this mic, which is also cheaper, and it does have good quality. If you want to get this headset, which the only reason why I said it's not the best headset, because I did have to cut a little tiny bit of plastic off in order for the aux cord to fit in, which that's a sacrifice that I was willing to do because it's just a little bit of plastic. It's nothing that's gonna hurt the thing or not. But Caliber Nation, we went over everything: chat pad, adapter, aux cord. This is the only aux cord that works. I guarantee it. This was Voice Changer 2020, the updated version. This is the best way to use a voice changer on Xbox One. And that's all I gotta say. Thank you guys so much for watching, and cheers to another year. Happy New Year, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.